School districts and city crews aren't the only ones gearing up for the snow. Many families visited hardware stores on their drive home.
KMBC 9's Brian Johnson is live with their stories tonight. Brian?
Yeah, well, thankfully we had a lot of heads up, so people were able to get those supplies early, starting last week, as well as even today. People were out and about picking things up. Take a look here. We are on I-29 heading south into Kansas City. Storm Tracker says the air temperature is 22 degrees, road temperature 23 degrees. The roads are treated, which is nice, but that precipitation's been coming down. Overall, though, I would say people have been ready for the storm. Ice melt is a hot item in Kansas City.
Took that last one a little more serious, and I'm coming last minute to get the rest of stuff that we need.
Lori Nichols buys supplies before the storm. Ice melt and shovels are the most popular purchase right now.
These are the 3 snow blowers we have left.
People have also been buying up the snow blowers.
It gets incredibly busy. Like, we haven't been able to keep up today, it seems like. It's constant, loading the salt, getting it out the door, getting it in people's cars, helping them pick up the right shovel.
Snow is good for business, and there's 6 more weeks of winter, says the groundhog.
We would love for him to wake up one day and not see his shadow, but maybe if they didn't have the bright lights shining on him, he might not see it as often.
Westlake Ace Hardware says they get a lot of questions.
Probably the number one question is this safe for my pet?
They sell ice melt specifically for families with pets. They recommend wiping off paws and driving safely.
Be very cautious, go slow. If you have to leave early, but it's smarter to get there in one piece than to be stranded on the side of the road or worse.
In Lee Summit, Brian Johnson, KMBC 9 News.
More snow expected later this week, and with it, the people at Westlake Ace Hardware say more products are arriving to meet demand.